Hello traders, I'm Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we're going to review the two trades that we took today. Well, we took the first trade at the open on Sunday when we saw the big gap on the Euro-US dollar due to the French election results on the round one. But first of all, I want to show you how we have done since inception on June the 5th, 2016 of last year. We hit a peak of 82%, and then we had a 2-month drawdown where we hit a low of 62.77%, but now we have hit an ultimate equity high of plus 84% growth on equity since inception, and we have been growing our equity since January this year. So if we go to the charts, I'm going to show you what we've done here. First of all, we're going to go to the Euro-US dollar, and I'm going to show you the big gap that we had on Sunday due to the French election. Now, first of all, if you don't know, there's the presidential election going on in France, and there's two big candidates that they won and passed to round two to decide who will be the next president of France. We have Emmanuel Macron. Well, he is pro-European Union, and we have ultra-right candidate Marine Le Pen, and she is ultra-right, and she is against the European Union and wants to get France out of it if elected president. So basically, both of these candidates passed on to round two, where the polls say that Emmanuel Macron is going to win by about 60% of the votes. So as you can see, the Euro-US dollar is pricing in the win of Emmanuel Macron on May the 6th. But because we had such a big gap, we tried to fade the most of it, all right? We had a 190 pip gap, and if I go to my terminal, and if I go to account history, and I grab the latest Euro-US dollar trade, you can see that we actually went short right here. Why did we went short right here? Well, we had our sell stop at around, exactly at 108.80. And the reason is because trading gaps can be difficult, okay? We had the first one hour candle, and we weren't in front of our computers right at the open, and we placed or stopped right below the last low, or the first candle's low, and if we broke to the downside, we wanted to go short. Now you can see that we held our trade all the way through the London session and some of the New York session, and we saw that price bounced off this area of resistance 3 times. When it bounced the third time and we couldn't close below this low, we decided to close our trade for a win of about or exactly 31 pips. We had our targets all the way down here, as you can see, at around 107.78, which were the previous highs that we wanted to test. We don't know if this gap is going to close, but if we continue to go lower, we are going to continue to short this market. Now let's go to the GBP USD. Now the GBP USD has been trapped in this range. Let me zoom out and show you the range that the GBP has been trapped in. After we spiked for about 350 pips, we started to trade in this consolidation period. So yeah, so today on before the New York Open, we went short. All right, so I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go to my terminal, and I'm going to grab that GBP USD trade. Now this is what happened. We went short right here when this reversal pattern created on the GBP USD, and we actually had our targets all the way down at the bottom of the range, but we missed our targets by about 4 pips, and when price started to go up, we decided to close our trade, and as you can see, we made on this trade 28 pips. So basically, we ended up this day with a 59 pip win. If you want to profit like us and to profit with us, well, you can get my signals for free. Just go to www.snipethetrade.com and click on free signals and follow the instructions, and I will give you a 6-month free signals package.